Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this today's video, I will guide you through the steps to access into the Vanderbilt My Health. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, whether it could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other browser you prefer. Now, once you open the browser, next in the address bar, type in Vanderbilt My Health login. Once you type in the Vanderbilt My Health login, hit enter. Now you will see the My Health at Vanderbilt login page. So click in this section, My Health at Vanderbilt. You will then be directed into the login page of the Vanderbilt My Health. Here in this section, you have to type in the username for the My Health Vanderbilt. So type in the username and below here type in the password. Take a moment to ensure the information you are inputting is correct to avoid any login complication. After confirming your credentials, click on the sign in options right below into the sign in field. Once you sign in, you will get access to various resources and features tailored to your role and permission within the platform of Vanderbilt My Health. Through this way, you can easily log in into the Vanderbilt My Health account through your computer. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.